Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Studios ZD Toys 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. Iron Man Mark 47 from the Marvel Studios, Marvel Studios Spider-Man Homecoming. You have the box art here, shot of the action figure, and then you have the 47 number here, number 47 here, circuitry pattern sa likod. Tapos dito sa kabilang side, you have the Zongdong Toy na barcode. And then, ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toy. And then you have the seal of Disney here. Ibig sabihin, this product is original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. Sa likod, you have the front and back shot of the action figure, dynamic poses and accessories, Chinese text, QR code, barcode, and sa side na to, Marvel Studios Spider-Man Homecoming logo. This side, meron siyang magnet for the flap to protect the action figure. And then here, the first tray, dyan nakastore yung action figure. And then second tray, nandun naman yung mga accessories. Out of the box. Oh, before that, thank you very much Laro Anan for sponsoring this video, for sending the action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga Iron Man action figures, pumunta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook. This figure cost only for 1,450 pesos only. Again, thank you very much Laro Anan for sending this Iron Man Mark 47. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Out of the box. Super nice. Very sturdy, no loose joints, and very nice sculpt. And mayroon lang konting nakadikit dito. Ano kaya to? Pwede kaya to punasan. Yan, okay, natanggal naman yung smudge niya sa red part ng armor. I think pwede tong articulate itong flap nito sa likod kasi meron siyang may mechanism siya for articulation. Wait lang, try ko. Thank you again Laro Anan for this amazing action figure. Naalala ko tuloy nung gumagawa kami ng Mark 47, nagpipaint kami, grabe. Ito talaga yung hinihintay namin na magkaroon ng official release ang ZD Toys. Kasi dati Mark 46, yun yung mas basic na figure. Tapos ginagawa ko na repaint yung Mark 47. Pero right now, meron ng official release. Super nice. Hindi siya LED version pero grabe, ang ganda pa rin. Zoom in tayo para makita natin yung armor details. Okay, sa head, meron siyang faceplate na gold. Very desaturated gold. And yung finish ng kanyang red, very glossy. Silver's glossy too. Medyo satin yung silver. And then, combination ng colors niya, silver, red, gold, and gunmetal. Tapos, dito sa kanyang middle part, dito yung dominant silver. And then, sa rest of the body and sa chest, you have the reds and some gold accents. Pati sa likod, ganun din, mas red din dito sa back niya. And then you have the gold accents here and gunmetal dito sa kanyang hips. Okay, tapos yung arc reactor niya, very detailed din yung mga parts and sections, may mga indentions. And hindi lang siya plastic na bilog. Tapos meron din siya mga sculpt, additional sculpt. Okay, sa shoulder armor, you have the red na part here, mas malaki yung red part, and then gold accent dito sa top, sa side naman silver. And then sa arms, you have the gunmetal sa bicep area. Tapos dito sa part na to, interchangeable tong part na to. Tapos meron siya, ito yung default na naka-equip. Tapos ito yung metal, ito yung missile na pwedeng weapon niya. Tapos ito yung hand na merong gold trim. And then dito sa kanyang stomach section, mga armor plates, mga mechanical details, and very nice structure and form. Grabe, very reminiscent of the Mark 46 armor. Iba lang yung color palette niya. Meron din mga dots dito and yung mga armor plates dito. Tapos dito sa parts na to, medyo mahirap lang siyang tanggalin. So, kuha na lang kayo ng takip ng ball pen. Or, ito rin tong part na to. Kumuha lang din ako ng super nipis na card para ipasok dun sa pinaka maliit na slot, and then so you can articulate the flaps. Okay, yan. Tapos dito rin sa yung mga gauntlets nya, medyo mahirap lang din i-open, pero once na open na, mas madali na siyang i-interchange. So in-equip ko na yung merong missile na gauntlet para mas complete yung weaponry ni Iron Man Mark 47. Sa legs, you have the red parts, gold trim, dark argon metal na parts din. Okay. Then for articulation, move the head up, down, 360. Pwede. Yes, sir. Tapos, extend yung arms for rotation. Outward, double bicep swivel. Yes, 360. Pwede. Double jointed elbow, ball joint yung kamay. Ito napapalitan to. You can move the shoulder armor outward. Uy, bali. Torso extension. Alam ko meron tong torso extension. Wait lang, balik natin. Yan, torso extension. You can pull out for additional range of motion. Ab crunch. Tapos, yung kanyang feet or legs can move down. By thigh swivel. Meron. Kick that far. Okay. Tapos bend more than 90 degrees, knee bend, double jointed din. Okay. Tapos yung kanyang feet can rotate. Ayan. Tapos yung flap sa likod, na-articulate din to, so you can open and close. Tapos sa accessories nya, meron siyang kasama hexagonal base. Meron ding armor pattern ni Iron Man dito sa background. Tapos Marvel Spider-Man Homecoming logo, 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. And then you have the pole na merong spring loaded yung clamp nya, so you can hold the waist of Iron Man for dynamic poses. Meron din siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na alt hands. Sobrang dami. Yung isang pair dito merong butas para pwede mong i-equip yung kanyang mga repulsor blast effects. Yung mga repulsor blast effects, pwede rin siyang ipasok dito sa ilalim ng feet para meron siyang blast effect kapag nasa flight pose. So that's it mga ma'am sir. This is a very nice addition sa inyong Iron Man collection. Thank you again, Laruanan, for this very nice action figure. Thank you for sponsoring this video. If you want to order, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook. 1,450 pesos only. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.